Hello once again, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. We're continuing our video series today on the top 10 most frequently asked questions that I have received. This is question number 5 and it comes in kind of this nature. Should I trade 24/7 or should I trade all day long is kind of the question that comes across. And my answer obvious to that question would be no, you shouldn't be trading all day long. You should pick a time to trade. For instance, there's major markets that are available to you. Now, if you are working in the evenings or work during the day and you have the evenings available, then here in the U.S. you might be able to trade the Australian and the Asian markets open. Obviously, if you're overseas and you are Australian or Asian or are in that area, then you could trade your two major markets. The trick is to find at least two major markets trading at the same time. Coming back across, then you have the European and you also have the UK markets open up. Another good opportunity to trade is when both of those markets are open. And I think personally, obviously because I am in the US, that the best time to trade is when I can trade. So when I can trade is when the American market's open and also have the European and the UK markets open. I got three major markets open, and that's why the US markets, for a lack of a better way of saying it, it's been the best period of time to trade historically. Now, obviously, things are changing in the global economy and so forth. That's just as valid to pick a period of trade what makes sense to your trading. Maybe it makes sense to trade the Australian markets or the Asian markets or the European or the UK markets. But, you know, I've picked and I think personally the best time to trade is in the morning in the U.S. for me, being the eastern United States or outside of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, where I live. You know, the best time for me to trade is roughly between 8:20 a.m. Eastern time to about 11:30, 12 o'clock noon, and that's a morning session, and then having an occasional afternoon session that can go anywhere between 1 to 4 o'clock p.m., 1 p.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. That's how I like to trade, and I think that's what you should do in your trading as well. You should pick a time to trade. Should you trade 24/7? The obvious answer to that question is no. If you're younger, obviously you can do whatever you want to do. When I was younger, I traded a lot more hours. As I get older, I like to take less time to get the money. I believe that you can make the money quickly in a short period of time and then have lots of time to do what you want to do outside of this. This business can be only, for me personally, it's a 12 to 15 hour a week trading experience for me. That's the only time that I look to be in the markets on an average week, around 15 hours or so that I'm looking to put into each and every week. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.